Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with Rapunzel, Anna, Elsa, and Cinderella, and they are going to do a science experiment all together. It's going to be the bubbling, exploding volcano. And there are only 4 simple ingredients, and you could even do this at home. Cinderella measures out the baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, an everyday household item in your cupboard. Next, Rapunzel is going to add 2 drops of red color to make it look like red or orange lava. Anna is going to add 2 drops of her natural dish soap. It's important to add those 3 ingredients first, and the final ingredient is always vinegar, and Elsa is using her dropper. And then watch what happens when she adds the vinegar. Whoa, it's glowing like real volcanic lava. Okay, so that wouldn't really happen. Let's try the experiment ourselves using a Play-Doh volcano. First we add some dish soap, then some baking soda. And remember, always get help from an adult when doing science experiments at home. Now we're not going to use food dye, and we're going to add the vinegar, so watch what happens. We have white lava bubbling out of our blue volcano. The baking soda reacts with the vinegar. Sometimes I use it for cleaning. You can try this at home, Tiny fans, but get help from an adult. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.